In this video, we'll learn how to analyze encrypted data without decrypting it, like detecting fraud without exposing sensitive details.
Traditionally, data must be decrypted for analysis, creating security risks. But what if we could analyze it while still encrypted? That could transform data privacy.
Encryption-in-Use is critical for sectors like finance and healthcare, enabling data analysis while meeting strict privacy regulations. For example, a financial institution can detect fraud by analyzing transaction patterns without ever exposing customer account details using encryption-in-use. Homomorphic encryption lets computations run directly on encrypted data without a decryption key, keeping results encrypted so only the owner can decrypt them. Next, the AI system analyzes and computes on the data while it remains fully encrypted throughout the process. Financial institutions can gain insights without exposing data, improving fraud detection, risk management, and compliance.
Encryption-in-Use unlocks valuable insights while preserving privacy and security, giving you a competitive edge in a data-driven world.